So Mark, behind us we've got the matrix units. Talk to me about how these are used. Obviously we have the standalone kits and we have the ones that you can put on normal vices.
Okay, yeah, so there's really two areas to the matrix, as you say. The blue matrix is mainly used for CMM and light clamping work. The silver is designed for use on machines, heavy duty machining.
How well do these get sold around the UK? Do people use these? Do people still use these on CNC machines, or is it mostly on CMM?
It's both. Increasingly on CNC machines, it's becoming more common because of the way that you'd be able to clamp ununiform parts. The more complicated the part, the harder it is to clamp. But with matrix, it's because of the fingers, the pins. Yeah, it does the job.
It reminds me of that scene in Toy Story when Buzz goes into that little thing and he creates it. But like you said, people aren't just using castings for this. They're using obviously steel blocks as well. But obviously, like you said, it's better for castings, isn't it? Because you can mould the matrix to the part.
Yeah, I mean, you see this one here with the gun that we've got on there. It's actually moulded around the part. So if we take that casting off there, it maintains that shape. So you can then use it again with the same part, or quickly release it and put another part in there. So it's very quick for changeover.
So if you have a work offset as well, that's a really good option because it doesn't have to have a stop. You can just replace the part on and off.
Exactly. So it's very quick change all the time, and that's one of the benefits.
That's a really good safety aspect as well. So you're talking about the silver one as well, which goes on the vise. How does this attach to the vise? Is there anything special that you need on there?
No, really. It's just bolts through onto the jaws of the vise, and then the pin structure works the same. It's Allen key on the side to lock the pins, and that's it really. Once you're on the vise, it's good to go. And again, very quick changeover.
Such an easy process, isn't it?
Oh, it is. It's so simple. It's so simple.